How to make Nigerian egg roll without any mistake. I wanted to make 10 egg roll and end up making only 5. That is why you have to watch this video on how to make your egg roll without no mistake. I'm going to be making 15 egg roll, and over here I have 15 egg. All I do now is to transfer everything inside this cooking pot. Get everything in here and get that cooked for 30 minutes. This is where my first assignment starts. Since I'm cooking 15 egg, I have to have 15 egg roll after everything. So on this bowl, I'm going to be cracking 4 raw eggs. So that is what we are going to use to mix the batter. So that is 4 raw egg I will be adding on this bowl. So now I will be adding vanilla extract, adding milk. Then after that, I'll be adding water. So this is just the raw ingredients I will be adding. Mix that very well, and that is what I have. So over here, I will be measuring 4.5 cup of all-purpose flour. My second assignment starts from this measuring of flour. Since I'm cooking 15 eggs, I have to make sure that I know the exact quantity of flour that I'm going to use to make that 15 egg roll. Okay guys, so that is why I'm going to be working on 4.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and this is just the accurate size for me to get 15 egg roll done. There is no one out, all of it complete. So that's why I have to follow this process on how I get it done. After adding all of it, I have to add it in the streamer for me to get rid of any dirty. So after doing that, look at that, I have to add that inside this bowl. Then I will be adding the corn flour. So adding nutmeg, adding sugar, the same time adding baking powder, then adding salt to taste. Mix everything together, and don't forget to check comment section for the accurate measurement. So all I do now is to add them butter. So that is butter, I get that mixed together. Mix very well until the flour and butter get dissolved like this. So now it's ready. All I do now is pour in the liquid ingredient inside the dry ingredients. So get everything combined. Mixing your liquid ingredient, don't over adding your milk, don't over adding water. So that is just it, for you to know the exact water and exact milk and egg that will enable you to mix the batter just like this 100%. So I'll cover this for 15 minutes to get rest. So at this point, the egg has cooked. All I do now is to turn all of it inside a bowl of cold water. So after doing that, I will still adding some cold water on top of it. So here I have some salvage paper. So all I do now is to take out the skin of the egg. So I will do all of it like this, just like that. So after that, I will just mix the egg in case there is any stone. So now I put it inside the salvage, and that is it. So all of the egg is here. So all I do now is to take another salvage paper to clean if there is any excess water, just to get the egg dry. So here I will be adding some flour and transfer all the egg inside this bowl. So that is just it. So this will enable your egg roll not to stick together. So I will keep that aside. Now the batter is ready. So all I do now is to open. Look at that, it do so well. So mixing your batter, it don't have to be strong if you are making egg roll. So you have to be soft, not that soft, not that strong. So that is why you have to get it done like this. If you haven't shared this video, what are you waiting for? So now I'm going to divide all the batter, because I'm making 15 egg roll. I have to make sure that all the batter is 15, no mistake. So now I don't dividing all of it. So I will take one of it, then after rolling it like this, then take one egg, put in the middle of it. So see how I get this cover. This is another process, guys. At this point, you can easily get it wrong by even breaking your egg inside, and that can enable you not to even get exact number of egg you are going to make it, because at that point you can easily break that egg inside the batter, which is not going to be okay. That means that one has waste. So tighten it like this. You have to take caution by doing it. You see how I'm covering it, see how I just cut the excess, just like that. So you are not going to break the egg inside the batter, and it's going to come out like this. So at this point, this one is okay, and I'm going to add it over here. The same time, that is how I do the rest of it. Look at that. We are going to be frying that with oil. Over here is the oil. I have 2 liters of oil, so it is hot. So turning it, you have to use something light. Don't use big spoon to turn your egg roll or whatever you are turning. Use something light. So now the egg roll has fried. All I do now is to turn on the other side to get fried. Just like that, I fry all of it. It was just so nice. It scents so amazing. The aroma is everywhere. At the beginning, I cook 15 eggs, and after everything, I make 15 egg roll. That is why I have to share this video on how to get this done without no mistake. Look at all the egg roll, guys. Everything is complete, cooked so nice, taste so amazing. The aroma is so everywhere. 99% of Nigerians like this mask, so if you are one of them, all you have to do is to share this video. Try this for your family. They are going to appreciate you. I love you guys. See you guys in my next one. Bye.